Isang bagong show para sa mga may hilig sa motorsiklo ang ipapalabas dito sa SNA. Ride Mo To, ang go-to show para sa mga gustong ma-update sa latest motorcycles at scooters. Ituturo din dito ang tamang paggamit at pag-alaga ng motorsiklo. And here to tell us more about Ride Mo To is host Paulo Abrera and segment host Mark Chuidian. Guys, thank you so much for the time and welcome to The Score.
It's a pleasure to be here, Anton.
Good evening, Anton.
Pao, alam mo, dati napapanood lang kita sa TV. Ngayon, I'm very excited because I get to talk to you for the very first time. At syempre, si Mark na ipapakilala natin, ilo-launch natin as Professor M.
Yes, that's correct.
Kakaiba ang character niya na yan, Anton. Wait till you see the show.
Wait till you see
Alright, pero bago natin pag-usapan yung Professor M na yan, I just want to ask you guys, what is Ride Mo To all about?
Well, let's chime in one after another here.
Okay.
Ride Mo To is basically, like you said, it's a motorcycle show para sa lahat. Para sa nagmomotor na at para sa gustong magmotor pa lang.
Yun, okay.
It will sort of demystify many of the misgivings that newbies have about riding motorcycles, and at the same time it will really sort of get people who already ride really pumped up about their riding.
Yeah, and one more thing about the show that we at least we try very hard to do is that even people who don't ride, it's packaged in a way that the language that we use, how we describe stuff, motorcycles, and everything that we do, it's designed so that people who don't ride will still enjoy it and will still get some information about it, and hopefully at the end of the day they'll start thinking it's like, hey, maybe motorcycling is it's a good thing.
So, Mark, Pao, bakit ba ganon ang notion ng mga tao na pag sinabi nating motorcycle, parang delikado, parang walang protection? How can we encourage people to try motorcycles? Because as we know, there are motorcycle lanes in EDSA, and then of course it gets faster to get to where you want to go because of the traffic that we have here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
You want to take that?
Yeah, I'll take that. Okay. Well, over the years, I've been riding for like 20-something years now. Yeah, it's been a long time. I started early. Motorcycling is not dangerous, not as much as any other thing that people do, like any other sport that you do. It's really in the mind of the person doing it. So if you ride a bicycle, ride a car, or commute, or even doing something in the house, doing construction work, it's pretty much the same thing. It just depends on the person, on what safety measures he takes so that he can protect himself while doing it.
Alright, nakikita natin yung mga videos dito. Astig ang dating nitong show nyo eh.
Protective gear.
Ayan.
That's exactly.
Paula, I want to ask you, what can we expect? What are the segments that we will be seeing here on this show of yours?
Well, typically, Anton, we're going to be doing motorcycle features. We'll talk about what bikes are popular on the market. Ano ba ang mga motor na pinaka interesting sa market. And at the same time, we'll talk about tips and tricks on how to get your bike into better shape, keep it in good shape, so that you have better performance from your bikes. Kasi naman yung motor, the more nakakondisyon yan, the safer it will be. And ultimately...
And the more fun.
And the more fun.
Yeah.
And ultimately, si Mark will be coming out as his alter ego, si Professor M.
Okay.
M for...
Misteryoso.
misteryoso, matalino,
Ma-eksperimento.
malambot ang puso pero matigas ang ulo. He's sort of the fun foil. He's sort of the fun foil on the show. He's a bit of a character on the show, and he's there to sort of try all kinds of wacky experiments, and at the same time maybe busts a few myths also. Maraming mga katanungan kasi yung mga nagmomotor eh. Pwede ba ang diesel sa motor?
Yeah.
Pwede ba lumutang ang motor sa tubig? Crazy, outlandish stuff. Na may entertainment value, but at the same time you leave the episode with a little bit of information.
Okay.
It's not just all laughs. There's some valid information there to help you on your motorcycle journey, para maging mas safe, maging mas responsable, at maging mas maalam sa motor. Whether you're an experienced rider or, like we keep saying, yung medyo nag-iisip pa lang na gustong pumasok. I'm sure you've been thinking about it.
Well, maybe you guys can encourage me. That's why I have you guys here on the show right now.
That's why we have the show.
Mark said earlier that he's been riding for 20 years.
Yeah.
How about you? How many years have you been riding? Because people know you as a guy who's into cars, who's very knowledgeable about cars.
Well, I don't know about knowledge about cars, but I enjoy cars. Yung pagmumotor, medyo mas maaga ko pinasok yan before cars. Much like Mark, it's been 25 years, 20-some years.
So why aren't you a professor? Akala ko 20 years yung requirement para maging professor sa
Paolo has to maintain the
Mas
cool
PhD,
factor.
mas PhD si Prof. Mark. Yeah, it's been quite a few years. Medyo marami na akong pinagdaanan in terms of motorcycles, and to agree with Mark, motorcycling is, I think, it's proof that we've been riding for that long. Buo pa naman tayo, di ba?
I still have all my parts.
Living evidence right here.
Yeah, it's as dangerous as you make it, and I think the show is about helping people to be a little more responsible when it comes to motorcycling, because it's as dangerous as you make it. So if you're a safe, responsible rider, motorcycling is a safe and responsible sport and a safe and responsible way to get around.
Correct.
Professor M,
Yes.
ano ba ang nakukuha ng isang individual sa pagmomotor? Anong klaseng enjoyment aside from, or like what's different from riding four wheels and riding a motorcycle?
Oh, okay. I'll put it simply. When you ride a car, it's like being in a room, air-conditioned room that moves. You got TV, sofa, nice comfortable position and stuff.
That's not so bad, I could do that, yeah.
That is what a car is.
Pwede yun na. Okay.
That is what a car is. It's basically a room on four wheels where you move from point A to point B inside an air-conditioned room where everything's controlled and comfortable. In contrast, I'm not saying that's a bad thing. Of course, everybody wants to be comfortable traveling, especially in traffic or in the rain.
Yes.
But a motorcycle is different. This is it's a more immersive kind of travel, and you're exposed to the air, the wind, the sound, the smell, everything. You're exposed. Your entire body is exposed to it. So it's a different sensation. So it's more of, if you just want to relax from point A to point B, take a car. If you want to have fun going from point A to point B, and a little bit faster because you can zip around traffic a little faster, take a motorcycle.
Okay.
Most of the time, because of our lifestyle right now, work and schedule and stuff, people would opt to have fun because we don't have much time to enjoy, to have fun. So it's a good idea to have fun going to work, have fun going back home. So that's where we're coming
You
from.
see now why he's the professor, huh? Right? Hit
I
the
see
nail
it.
on the
I
head.
see it.
Sinagot lahat.
All right. Where can we watch, or should I say, when can we watch Ride Moto?
Ride Moto is premiering September 17, every Monday at 6:30 to 7 p.m. Panoorin nyo. It's going to be an awesome show filled with obviously anything and everything, two wheels, and a lot of information and a lot of entertainment as well.
And they can watch the replay on Sunday mornings, 8:30 to 9 in the morning. The Sunday after that,
Right here
Monday
on
morning.
SNA.
Of course.
Right here on SNA.
All right. Thank you very much to our hosts of Ride Moto, Paolo Abrera, and of course, Professor M.
Salamat.
Mark Chuwidian. Maraming salamat sa inyo
Thank
guys,
you.
and congratulations
Thank you so
on the new show. Hey everybody, this is Anton Rojas. For more sports updates, keep watching The Score and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's ABS-CBN Sports and Action.